Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from Bybit to your bank account. So first things first, you want to click on assets right there. Now on assets you will see all of these options. First of all, you want to go ahead and convert your cryptocurrency to fiat money. So click convert. Now choose the cryptocurrency which you want to go ahead and exchange. So maybe you have USDT. Then you want to choose fiat right there. Choose whichever currency fits you the best. There's not a lot of options, but basically maybe euros or USD. After that, you're going to enter the amount which you want to go ahead and exchange. And after this, exchange it. Now, let's go back. Now, if you already have fiat money, you want to click withdraw. And right there in the right corner, you will see fiat withdrawal. So you want to click on it. Once you are here, you want to enter the amount you want to withdraw and your currency. Choose a SEPA payment or Zen.com. So SEPA payment is pretty simple and easy. Just has a little bit of a fee and takes a few working days, but you will get it straight to your bank account. Also, you can use Zen.com. It will basically do the same thing, but you will need to, I think, add your card and not bank account. So that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.